Hey guys, Captain Keith here from MarineMax in Clearwater. During the course of these videos, we've gotten a lot of questions on boating classes and what's required and where you can go to do them. I'm here in Florida, and this happens to be the Boat Smart Florida boating guide. This is a free version that's put out by the FWC. In this, there's a 75 question test in the back of this. You'll bubble in your answer sheet, mail that off to Tallahassee, they'll scan it and send you your Safe Boaters ID card. In Florida, anybody born after January 1st, 1988 has to have a Safe Boaters ID card. Basically, you have to have a boater's license now to boat. Pretty much all the states in the country are going to have some sort of this. The ages are going to be different and all that. So wherever you are in the country, do a little research and find out where you can go to get a Safe Boaters ID card. You can also do this online. If you go to boat-ed.com, you can do it, like I said, you can do that online if you want. There is a charge for that. This test booklet is absolutely free. Those of you that are here local around the Clearwater area, you want to stop in, I can get you some of these. Or just visit any of your FWC offices throughout the state, and they'll have these available to you as well. Coast Guard Power Squadrons, there's several different other places that'll actually give you courses that you can take. Many of your MarineMax stores too will do safe boating courses, women on water, intro to boating, and all that kind of stuff. So once again, take advantage of everything we have to offer. Say it again, we got all the resources in the world you could ever want. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys out on the water. Be safe. Captain Keith saying see you later.